Again.
Yay! Come and see the sand yacht. There's a sand yacht. There's a sail. And there's the wheels. It's a yacht with wheels on. And there's Daddy.
Come on then, Annie. There. Let's put your helmet on.
I can put.
Yeah, you can put it on. There we are. Pull that down.
I'm doing it on my helmet.
That's good. You get in first. Look over the side. That's it.
You have to hold on.
And we'll go, shall we?
Here we go. We're sand yachting. The wind pushes the sail. It's a windy day. We're sailing on the beach. Look at our tracks. That's Megan and her dad. Woohoo!
Hey, yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo!
We're turning.
Yoo-hoo! Here we go. Yoo-hoo!
One sand yacht. Two sand yachts. Three sand yachts.